When it comes to luxury vehicles, the allure of elegance, cutting-edge technology, and prestige often overshadows one of the most critical factors that discerning buyers consider: reliability. And in the world of high-end automobiles, reliability is not merely a convenience but a testament to engineering excellence and long-term value. And when reviewing the most reliable luxury cars on the market, it becomes clear that while many brands tout innovation and opulence, a few have consistently risen above the rest, offering not only a sumptuous driving experience but also dependability that translates to fewer unexpected repairs, lower maintenance costs over time, and a peace of mind that allows owners to truly enjoy the driving experience without anxiety about mechanical failures or costly visits to the service center. And brands such as Lexus, known globally for their meticulous attention to detail and exceptional quality control, have historically dominated reliability studies. With models like the Lexus LS, which combines a refined V6 or V8 engine with a smooth, quiet ride, top-notch materials, and an interior that rivals any European counterpart, and the Lexus RX series continues this legacy by blending crossover practicality with reliability ratings that consistently outperform many German rivals, while BMW, often celebrated for its sporty dynamics and engineering prowess, has made significant strides in recent years, with models such as the 5 Series earning high marks for both performance and longevity when maintained properly. Although historically some of its electronics and complex components required vigilance, Mercedes-Benz, synonymous with luxury and prestige, also offers models such as the E-Class and GLE that, when equipped with tried-and-tested powertrains, demonstrate impressive durability, and the careful engineering of their suspension, braking, and drivetrain components ensures that even vehicles with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, air suspension, and intricate infotainment systems can remain dependable over time, which is particularly important because owners of luxury vehicles often expect seamless integration of advanced safety, connectivity, and comfort features, making reliability assessments far more nuanced than in mainstream cars. And when we examine vehicles like the Acura RLX, often overlooked in the luxury segment, their reputation for reliability stems from a combination of proven Honda mechanical components, understated yet refined interiors, and a balance between performance and fuel efficiency, while Infiniti, Nissan's luxury offshoot, has models such as the Q50 and QX60 that offer competitive reliability ratings, particularly for drivers seeking a blend of sporty handling and family-friendly practicality. And it's not just about mechanical dependability. Luxury cars are often equipped with high-tech gadgets that, if poorly integrated, can lead to costly repairs and customer frustration, which is why brands like Lexus and Acura shine. They have mastered the art of harmonizing electronics with durable hardware, whereas some European marques, while offering breathtaking design and exhilarating performance, occasionally struggle with the longevity of certain electronics or maintenance-intensive engines. And in reviewing reliability, it's also critical to consider maintenance schedules, cost of replacement parts, and accessibility of service networks. And in this regard, German luxury cars such as the Audi A6 or A8 are mechanically sound but may have higher ownership costs due to premium components and specialized service requirements. And yet the allure of their Quattro all-wheel drive system, turbocharged engines, and advanced driver assistance systems cannot be denied. And Porsche, often celebrated for precision engineering and driving enjoyment, particularly in models like the Cayenne or Panamera, consistently scores well in reliability surveys, partly because the brand's commitment to building engines and transmissions in-house ensures tight quality control and a lower incidence of major mechanical failures. And while some models, especially high-performance variants like the 911 Turbo or GT models, may require meticulous maintenance to sustain peak performance, their core models are surprisingly durable and reward conscientious owners with longevity and satisfaction that rivals even the most reliable Japanese luxury cars. And reviewing American luxury cars, brands like Cadillac and Lincoln have made significant progress, with models like the Cadillac CT5 or Lincoln proven engines, modern infotainment systems, and improved build quality, which contributes to higher reliability ratings than in past decades. And these vehicles often appeal to buyers seeking a combination of luxury, space, and value without sacrificing mechanical dependability. And in the electric luxury sector, which is rapidly growing, Tesla, Lucid, and Mercedes-Benz EQ models are beginning to define reliability in new ways, as electric drivetrains reduce mechanical complexity. But battery longevity, software updates, and build quality introduce new variables that require careful scrutiny when reviewing their long-term dependability. And beyond individual model analysis, reliability trends reveal fascinating insights, such as the consistent dominance of Lexus and Acura across multiple studies, the gradual improvement of BMW and Mercedes-Benz, and the varying fortunes of Audi, Infiniti, and Cadillac, which highlights that luxury reliability is as much about corporate engineering philosophy and quality control as it is about individual model design, and it is equally important to consider user-reported experiences, as real-world reliability often differs from controlled tests, and consumer satisfaction surveys indicate that owners of Lexus, Acura, and certain Porsche models enjoy fewer unexpected issues and more predictable maintenance, while some owners of European luxury cars occasionally report electrical gremlins, air suspension failures, or costly brake and transmission repairs. And when compiling a comprehensive review of the most reliable luxury cars, one must also weigh resale value, as vehicles that are known to be mechanically sound maintain their value better, which is critical for buyers who view luxury cars as both a lifestyle choice and an investment. And analyzing historical data, the Lexus LS, ES, RX, and GX, along with the Acura MDX, RDX, and RLX, consistently rank at the top for long-term ownership satisfaction, combining durability, comfort, safety, and modern technology, while in Europe, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, GLE, and select Porsche Cayenne and Macan models show impressive reliability when serviced correctly, and Japanese brands like Infiniti Q50, QX60, and even some high-end Toyota models such as the Century, in Japan, reinforce the reputation for longevity. And this pattern emphasizes that for buyers prioritizing reliability over flash or brand prestige, Japanese luxury cars offer an unmatched combination of meticulous engineering, proven components, and low-stress ownership experiences, whereas European vehicles provide unparalleled design, performance, and innovation but occasionally demand higher maintenance diligence. And as technology continues to evolve, hybrid and electric luxury models introduce new dimensions to reliability, with automakers like Lexus offering hybrid versions of their RX and ES sedans that pair legendary durability with fuel efficiency, while Tesla and Lucid emphasize software-driven reliability. Although long-term data is still accumulating, and reviewing reliability across all luxury segments also requires consideration of common issues such as electronics, suspension, transmissions, and engine performance, and in this context, reliability is not just about avoiding breakdowns but ensuring consistent performance, safety, and driving pleasure year after year. And as a final takeaway from reviewing the most reliable luxury cars, it becomes evident that buyers who prioritize worry-free ownership without compromising comfort, technology, and prestige will often find the best value in models from Lexus, Acura, and select Porsche and Mercedes-Benz vehicles, as these brands strike an ideal balance between engineering excellence, quality control, and innovative luxury features, ultimately creating vehicles that are not only a joy to drive but also capable of standing the test of time. And therefore, when choosing a luxury car that offers both opulence and peace of mind, careful research, awareness of maintenance expectations, and attention to historical reliability trends are essential to ensuring that the investment in a luxury vehicle brings years of enjoyment rather than frustration, making reliability a defining factor in the true luxury experience. And when considering all these elements together, the historical performance, consumer reports, engineering philosophy, maintenance costs, and technological integration, the picture becomes clear that while many luxury vehicles impress on first glance with their styling and features, only a select group consistently delivers both the thrill of luxury and the reassurance of dependability, which ultimately defines the most reliable luxury cars reviewed. And this holistic perspective allows prospective buyers to make informed decisions that align with both their lifestyle aspirations and practical needs, confirming that in the competitive world of high-end automobiles, reliability is as much a mark of engineering mastery as it is a measure of enduring value. And by prioritizing vehicles that excel in mechanical durability, electronic integration, and owner satisfaction, one can navigate the luxury car market with confidence, securing a vehicle that not only embodies sophistication and prestige but also offers the rare combination of lasting quality and exceptional performance, ultimately proving that the most reliable luxury cars are those that marry cutting-edge design with tested, robust engineering, ensuring that owners can enjoy the pinnacle of automotive comfort and innovation without compromise.